How to make online selling easy with Celcom Business. Online selling on different platforms can be time-consuming. You have to log in and upload products multiple times, track orders from different channels, and so on. But what if there's a way to automate all that work? Celcom Business is just the solution. AVANA, a social commerce platform that simplifies online selling. With AVANA, you get a website and dashboard that syncs your catalog on different platforms, so it's faster to list new items, update prices, and run promotions everywhere. The dashboard is also where you track orders and queries from each platform, so you'll never miss a sale or a happy customer. AVANA centralizes stock control, so your inventory is always up to date, even as new orders come in. Now, not only can your sales increase, you'll also get more time to focus on growing your brand. So sign up for AVANA with Celcom and start selling everywhere today.